Hello again, my trusted viewer, and this is another fan dub. And just like the first one, this is a joke. It wasn't meant to profit off of anything, and yeah. So, all rights are owned by Toei Animation, Fuji TV, Ocean Group, Akira Toriyama, and Toyotaro, and yeah. Go support the official release if you want to. You don't have to, but just do it. Anyways, let's get into the video. And sorry for not uploading in a while. I was on vacation and yeah. So anyways, let's hop right in.
At birth, Saiyans are judged by their strength and power levels. The higher class Saiyans with higher power levels are put in the elite, while shit like you are sent to these backwater planets to left behind and saved like trash.
But with hard work and training, even trash like me can surpass the elite.
You have a good sense of humor. Too bad that it won't last long. Is this all you got, Kakarot?
What? Huh? Where did he go? Huh? Wait a minute.
I did see this type of performance when you were fighting Nappa. Come on, I want you to do better than this. Die!
Looks like you're pretty strong. Looks like you're pretty serious here, but looks like I'll have to try and catch up with your speed.
Kaioken! Damn! Oh my god. Yeah!
Huh? What?
Even with your silly technique, this is still disappointing.
I'm in real big trouble here.
Seems so. You're too much.
What's going on? What's he doing? God, feels like an earthquake here. Huh? Somehow stopped. What's going on?
Well, it's time for you to die, Kakarot.
What? Where'd he go?
Behind you!
What?
Oh, damn it! What? Buddy, don't let me down! Goku, what are you doing? No, you can't go over Kaioken Type 2. If you do that, the amount of pressure on your body will blow you up.
We'll be able to win this fight.
What? Now get up to 3! Yeah! But... Why, you bastard! Why you? No, I'm a Saiyan elite. I can't lose to scum like him. I got no choice but to risk it. Me! Me! There's never one that can top my dog. Me! There's a giant blast space! What? Possible! His blast is just as strong as my god! Go!
Well, that's the end of this video. Yeah, I had to put a lot of work and effort into this, so yeah. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe if you want. And yeah, I'll be making more of these, but yeah. So yeah, this is probably the one. I'll make another next week, I think. Yeah. So that's the Goku versus Vegeta Dragon Ball Z fandom fight, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't stop worrying, look now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. If we can't find paradise, all we have to do is go free your soul. Mysteries abound, made up with deep energy. Energy flows all around, and I will go fearless and free. I give you strength, you give me love. That's how we'll live, that's how we'll live. Courage won't fail. When you're with me, my enemies will never win. I will fight for love and glory. I will live to tell my story. There's nothing we can't live through, nothing ever dies, we will rise again. Don't stop worrying, look now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. We will rise up all again, all we have to do is go. Don't stop worrying, look now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. If we can't find paradise, all we have to do is go free your soul. Dragon soul. Yeah, I'm probably doing some